You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name, it is in French, correctly in English and in French. The French pronunciation, Lagrange. Lagrange. Lagrange is how it's pronounced in French. In English, you could say it as Lagrange. It's generally how it's pronounced, Lagrange. Lagrange. Lagrange is a farm building in French, so means the farm building. Lagrange. Lagrange is the French pronunciation. Lagrange. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.